Yeah, I got a Jeffree Star Mini Nude lipstick, and look at that. This is the kit for this lipstick, guys. This is not chocolates, but it's a lipstick. It's Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Look at that. It's bigger than my face. This is kind of, I like the box. I like the pack of this lipstick. But let's see how it goes. Let's see what's inside the box, and let's look at it and check it out. Look at that. It's Jeffree Star. It's Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So this is yeah, that's the brand of the lipstick, guys. So I've been using this. I've tried this once, but since I found out this is the new one of their Jeffree Star Mini Nude Bundle Volume 1. So this one, it has a matte and a full liquid coverage of a lipstick. So you want to see what's inside, guys? You want to see? Are you excited? Are you excited to see what's inside of this box? Of course, it's a lipstick, but take a wild guess and how many lipsticks inside this box, and you'll see. So let's open and stay with me. I don't know how to open. I don't know how to open, guys. It's right here. Open. Come on, Ericah. It's right there. Open here for nudes. Open for nudes. So let me put my hair at the back. It's hot. So guys, yeah, this is on how you open the lipstick of this kit of this lipstick, right? So this Jeffree Star Cosmetics, that's the brand, and don't you worry, I'm gonna put the link down below in my description, and so that if you want it and try it, and I promise guys, this is very affordable and it stays long. Even if you eat a lot of food, or it stay longer. Or even if you know, it stays longer, guys, because I tried the previous one of this. Hold on. Yeah, this is it. And let's open inside. Are you excited? Are you excited? Come on. Are you excited, guys? Look at that. Are you excited? Are you excited? That's open. It's funny how they put here, right here, open for nudes. I don't know, it's the camera itself, it's like reverse its letter. But it says here, open here for nudes. So because this is nude lipsticks. Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love makeup. I think every woman does love makeup. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, how wonderful. Oh my god, how beautiful these lipsticks are. Aww. very nice, guys. See? I'm so happy. Thank you, Jeffree Cosmetics. Jeffree Star Cosmetic, thank you so much for this wonderful and beautiful lipsticks. So let's check this out inside the color. This one, 2, 4, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 8 lipsticks, guys. Oh my god. So this one right here, it's, yeah, this one right here, this one is skin tight. So this one is skin tight. This color, this shade is skin tight. Yeah, this one is skin tight. And it's soft. It's so freaking hot. And this one is this shade. It's called Mannequin. This one is called Mannequin. So nice. Oh my god. Let me open this. Oh wow. Let me try it. Oh, I like it. Natural color. That's Mannequin. That's Mannequin. Mannequin. And this one, this shades right here, it's Celebrity Skin. Celebrity Skin, this one. Look at that. Jeffree Star, thank you so much. Celebrity Skin. So that's it. And next is Push Spice. This one, this shade is Push Spice. This one is Push Spice. Spice, hangday ni siya. Spice, Push Spice, like, oh, like a Spice Girls. So when you wear this one, you're gonna be a Spice Girls. Just kidding, guys. So let me open. That's the shade, yeah. This one next, the fourth one, yeah, the fourth one is Rose Matter. What matters the most is we love each other and we respect each other. Char lang. Just kidding. Rose Matter. This is Rose Matter. What matters the most is blah blah blah. Just kidding. So this is Rose Matter. Rose Matter. Matter is anything that has mass and weight. Char. Rose Matter. This is Rose Matter, like a rose flower. So this is it. This is the Rose Matter. Yeah. So you should try this one, guys, because when you wear this, this is like your lips will be like kissable lips. Look at that, like mine. So let me open this for you. Yeah, look at that. This one is kind of darker shade, but I like it. It's like pink, like rose gold, but it says here Rose Matter. Rose Mother. You know what? I like the inside. It's like full of star because I am a star. I'm just kidding. So we're done with the Rose Mother, and next is the Gemini. Gemini, that's a zodiac sign, right? So who are you here? Among you here are Gemini sign. Oh, it's so hot, guys. It's freaking hot. Gemini, this is Gemini for Gemini babies there. You can try this one. This is perfect for you. Trust me. You're gonna be beautiful. You're gonna be more beautiful. See? It stays long. It stays long, guys. Even if you eat humba, like adobo, when you eat adobo, you know the Filipino. I'm talking Filipino food here, guys. So it makes me hungry. So even if you eat those like adobo, your lipstick it's still, or lumpia. Oh my god, my earrings. Your lipsticks will stay on. Hold on. So that's Gemini. Let me put my earrings there. Sorry about it. So next is Leo. Oh, Leo. It's another zodiac sign. Another one. It's Leo, guys. So I'm not creating any description here. So this is right there. You can see the label right there, okay? So I am telling you what are the shades, and this is the Leo. So wala ko nagmug na char. So this is Leo. This is another shade of Leo. Oh my god, my earrings is fallen. Hold on. So that's Leo, guys. So the last one, are you excited for the last one? The last one is Androgynous. Oh my god, this is Androgynous. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification below, comments down below, and share and like. And thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Bye.